what's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video. In this video, I will be doing a hairstyle Cardi B once again. But yeah, so in this video, it will be like a bang with two bows. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put a picture up. But yeah, so I started off with like dry hair and I just combed it out and everything. And then I starting the part from the front all the way to the back, which is the middle part, so I can get the little straight look in the back. But it's actually gonna be like a bang in the front, but it's gonna be a middle part in the back. The bang gang, the bang gang. Whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. Not the bang gang. Okay, after I finished doing the middle part all the way to the back, I actually try to like get the ponytails separated and everything, and then I started on doing a little bang in the front, as you can see. After I parted out my bang, I actually braided it down and started on the ponytails. So the ponytails is like high, but not too high. But I'm gonna insert a picture so you can know what I'm talking about. Then I started on the other ponytail. I just did the same thing what was on one side, the other side, to match like the height and everything. Okay, then I started to mold the bang into the second ponytail I made. And the gel I used was actually the same gel I used in the other video when I did the other Cardi B video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to insert a picture and you can go check it out. But it's going to be in the description down below. Then I started on the bows, but it was a little messy because the hair, I didn't actually use weave in this hairstyle, but I should have. But comment down below if you think I should have, and just comment down below something. Let me know something. Okay, this is the finishing look. I'm just touching up the bows to make it stay up. I don't know, the bobby pins wasn't working, and I don't know. But comment down below how you think I did. So this is the end results. I hope you enjoyed watching. So comment down below what other celebrity hairstyles I could do. I could do YouTuber hairstyles as well. So just comment down below what you think and how you think I did. Give me a rate to 1 to 10, you know. But yeah, how did I do? Comment down below. Yeah.